Hey guys, geek into everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today day number 12. So let's start. Okay, we are going to start with the check-in my plan. Okay, here we go. And day number 12. The topic is working with the modules and packages, creating and using your own modules, exploring external packages. Okay, what I'm going to do now is copy this topic, and what I'm going to do is asking ChatGPT bot to provide me information for this topic with the examples, with the detailed information. So okay, let's press enter, and we are waiting for ChatGPT bot reply. Okay. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT bot finished replying, and I'm zoom it in. Okay, that is okay. Okay, day number 12, working with the modules and packages. Introduction. In Python, modules and packages are used to organize and reuse code. Modules are individual files that contain Python definitions and statements, while packages are directories that contain multiple modules. This allows you to group related code together and avoid naming conflicts. On day number 12, we'll learn how to create and use our own modules and explore external packages. Okay, create your own modules. To create a module, you simply need to save your code in a .py file, this extension. Let's say you have a file named mymodule.py, this one, with the following code. And you can see a code inside this mymodule.py. There is a one function named greet with the parameter name, which print hello and the name. And next function is a square function, which return the calculation. And there is a variable pi. Now you can import and use this module in another Python script. If you use this keyword import and then specify the name of file you want to import into the current module, this one, another one, you can use this function, this code from the mymodule.py into the another module. You can also import specific functions or variables from a module using the from keyword. You see here from my module, import, greet, and pi. So it's a greet is a function, pi is a variable. Okay, we can import on this variable and function by this way. Okay, exploring external packages. Python has a vast ecosystem of external packages that provide additional functionality for various tasks. These packages can be installed from the Python package index pyp. This one, I highlight the text, using a package manager like pip. Let's take an example of the popular package requests, which simplify making HTTP requests. First, you need to install it by running pip install request. I'm highlighting the text in your command prompt or terminal. Once installed, you can import and use the requests package in your code. You can use import keyword, and then you can specify the module or package. Okay. In this example, we import the requests package and use its get function to make an HTTP GET request to a URL. We can then access the response using various methods and properties provided by the package, such as status code and JSON. Okay, and in the conclusion, working with the modules and packages is an essential part of Python development. By creating your own modules, you can organize your code and make it reusable. Additionally, exploring external packages allows you to leverage the power of the Python ecosystem and easily add functionality to your project. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.